Why, precious friend? Today's promise is taken from Psalm 122:7. May there be peace within your walls and security within your citadels. What a beautiful promise! This is what the world is longing for: peace and security. How do you find peace and experience it? The scripture says in Isaiah 26:3, O Lord, you will keep him/her in perfect peace whose mind is stayed on you. The scripture also says in Isaiah 9:6 that Jesus Christ is the Prince of Peace. Colossians 1:20 says that Jesus shed his blood on the cross as a sacrifice so that we might receive peace through his shedding of blood. So, my friend, today, you have hope through Jesus to receive peace. Once a famous singer was traveling around the world to experience peace. He tried everything including drugs but could not find peace. He went from one aspect to another as each group of people led him, saying, "You will find peace in what we do." Finally, he was taken to Satan's temple, which was all dark. The priest who stood at the altar told him to cut his finger and pour his blood on the altar to receive peace in his life. The singer, without hesitating, cut his finger and poured the blood. He was in terrible pain, but he waited for peace to come. The priest again insisted that he cut his other finger too, as there was not enough blood.